Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're going to take a regular bunch of carrots and turn it into one of my favorite snacks, lacto-fermented carrot sticks. These pickled carrots are crunchy, tangy, and full of probiotics. It's one of my favorite go-to, always have in the fridge ferments, and I think you'll love them too. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need a whole lot of carrots that you cut up into sticks, half a red onion. Just thinly slice this, slice, 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 slice. And then just break those all apart with your hands. 2 cloves of garlic, smashed. Try that again, smashed. And your brine. This can be room temperature water and some salt, a bit more salt. And just whisk until the salt is dissolved. Done. Load your fermentation jar from the sides easier and just start packing your carrots in. Fit a few more. Then tuck all your onions, get them all mixed in. Tuck in some garlic. Add your chili flakes, then top with your fermentation weight. Your fermentation weight's going to keep all the veggies submerged underneath your brine. Pour in the brine. A little more so everything's covered. Then top with your lid and your airlock. And let it ferment. After 5 to 7 days, your pickled carrots are perfectly sour, ready to eat, and can be stored in the fridge. We're keeping our fermenters full with new batches of kraut, kimchi, pickled veggies, kombucha, and more. So please like, follow along, and let us know in the comments what you want to see next. Thanks for watching.